Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
What's up, man?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a deshelled boiled seafood deshelled boiled. Man, it smells so good. It's making me lose my train of thought.
You can't lose your banana.
So the sauce that we have today, it's by Wani, and this is her packaging. That looks so great, right? She put a lot of detail into the packaging. That's how it comes, guys. And we cannot wait to dig in. But we also have a twist on this seafood boil, my love. We've been challenged by Cuzzo AB in the do not mess up your lipstick challenge, okay? And it was created by Sint and Mo. And the trick is you have to put your lipstick on, which I have it right here, and it just happens to be red. My husband's favorite.
No, your favorite. That.
So I'm gonna put some lipstick on, and then I can't get any of the lipstick. Like I have to eat without the lipstick coming off. Okay, so I decided to put it on camera. Oh my gosh, I watched Cuzzo AB.
Let me put it on for you.
That shiggity is so honey.
Let me put it on for you. Let me class it up for you, because you know I don't like when you have on lipstick, you know. Let me put it on.
How's it look?
You need some more all over me.
It needs more.
Yeah. Don't you put lipstick on answer too? Yeah, man, you look like a cloud, man. Close your mouth. Good. I'm bad. I'm good at this. See, I want to put a lot. So you leave them small. Okay. There you go. There you go.
Okay, let me let you guys see if you guys can make sure you guys can see it. Okay. All right, so.
Then you want more?
Make sure. My husband was supposed to do this. He told me he was going to do it, and then he changed his mind because he said he's worried about what people are going to think. So.
You want to do that? Cuzzo challenge you?
No.
She ain't me.
Cuzzo challenged the greedy couple. So anyway, we're going to dig in, and this was, dig in?
Oh.
This was, this was already planned. We already planned to do a seafood boil, a deshelled seafood boil, and to have
Wani
sauce. It has a lot of onions. That is really good. You don't even need to add onions. It has so much onions. But then Cuzzo called me out, I guess, and I had to do it. That's very good.
Pranker, put on lipstick. Put on lipstick.
Yeah.
I trick you.
So we have.
I trick her. I know I'm gonna catch. Put on lipstick. I'm gonna mash up this and show you what food eat without lipstick.
Yeah, right. So we have shrimp.
You know, put on my lipstick.
We have sausage. We have egg.
Family, I want to put on.
We have king crab.
I just want to taste the food before.
We have corn. We have potato. And we have it's Wani sauce. So.
Prank, you look at us, man. I'm listening to good. Yeah, man. A pranker. So I'm supposed to do this now.
Eat it.
Cuzzo, I got you. I gotta do it for the community. You know what I'm saying? Watch out.
Oh, so you drop it.
I'm gonna drop it in my mouth for 8 minutes. Yeah, I got you hard, Cuzzo. You thought I wasn't gonna do it.
And we can tell when it's 8 minutes because we have a timer on our phone, so. Oh my gosh, this is so good.
Sauce is good.
The sauce is really good.
Hot. My sugar is on. I can't white. It's on. What? Yeah.
Listen, you got me good because all day I was like, honey.
Yeah. I know I was gonna catch her back.
You say he's gonna do it. You say he's gonna do it. What happened? And he was like, I don't wanna do it. I'm a man. That's for women.
It's a woman challenge, but I got you though.
And
I know
was
I'll
like,
get your back. Yeah, you ready to go chat people business now?
I was like, alright, I'm gonna tell the family on you.
Family, I'm a watch out. Shit, hot man, what not? I got money. Yeah, I know it's gonna catch. I was just waiting for this.
It just came out the oven. Hold on. Hold on.
Why you do one room seafood?
I didn't choose to do it. Kozo chose it. You don't see she called us out.
I can't even see.
It's not. It's on.
I can't even lick my lip. It's still on.
Oh. Yeah. Don't look it up.
I'm not. I can't lick my lip. I got this. I got this. Represent for the man. You know what I'm saying? First man to do this.
That's true.
Yeah, I'm the first man to do this. Know what I'm saying? I got her good though.
He did get me good because I was like, what happened?
You got me on this one. But you know what? I love my food, so I'm gonna do it for the community. You know what I'm saying? First day they say if I ain't do it, I wouldn't get no food. I'm telling everyone your business. Nice man, I'm living
Honey,
still.
you know, see you look cute.
No bother with that, you know. No bother with that blood, nah, but I look cute. So you start calling me Rachel.
You know, my lipstick on?
Your lipstick on, man. Rachel, you start calling me.
Guys, I wear a lipstick, but oh god, I'm gonna try the corn. Try to eat the corn with it.
Yo, the sauce is good though.
It's really good.
I like the onions, and it's very sweet.
Oh, we have mussels in here too, guys.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff is going on. Trust me.
Yeah. This is nice.
I'm gonna try to eat the corn. Oh, should it come off?
It's on. Mine's off?
Yours on.
Yeah, man. So how's your day been going?
A pure lipstick dip on the oh my goodness. Long as gets on my lips.
How's your day been going? Yeah?
Oh god.
Mine was going good till I had to do this. But you know what? I mean? Ain't no shame in my game. I'm eating it just like that.
It's hard to eat it with a corn.
I'm here for the challenge. This
Nice.
sauce. Yeah.
It's hard to eat it with the corn. You gonna eat it with the corn?
Yo.
You gotta tap, tap, tap.
I know, I can't even see. Tap, tap, tap. Check out my hair. You know, my hair looking sleek today. You know, I got a fresh shave up, you know. Gotta look like somebody sometime.
Looking handsome.
Sometime, you know.
You probably egg. Oh god. I want to eat the corn so bad, like tear it up, and I can't.
I can't. I feel my mouth like my mouth is watered. I can't even wipe it.
I know. And worse, you can't lick your
We
finger.
matching.
Look at this.
We matching. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay. I'm gonna try to eat this corn.
Watch, I'm gonna try to eat a potato.
You get it? Hey! Hey! Y'all going good. Yo, he going better than me.
Bad funny thing, man. Food, me say no. That's right. Gotta get it in. Damn. I like this sauce. It just got a little sweet taste to it.
Honey.
You know what I'm saying? What?
Oh God, I'm sorry. I feel like lipstick is all over my mouth.
All the while. All the while.
Okay, but it's still on, right?
Yeah, still on.
Okay.
Oh, damn, son.
Sorry. Oh, wow. It reached right here.
Hello, my
Us.
I'm a damn fresh shave up, dog.
Come on, juicy, man. How many times there?
9 minutes, okay.
9 minutes in?
9 minutes in. All right, I did my part now. Now, I gotta eat my food now. First lady, you're on your own. I gotta enjoy my food. Keep your lipstick on, because I like when you keep my lipstick, because it make me eat slow.
Yes, sister, the challenge done. 8 minutes, man.
No, man.
I can't wipe off my lipstick though.
Family, I did it. And in this challenge, right? You have to tag, what, 3 people?
3 people.
So, my first person I'm tagging, go, first lady, first person, go ahead.
It's gonna be like mother, like daughter eats.
Okay. You heard what we said. Then, I'm tagging Mark Munchies. Who's your last person? Damn, you made that thing with my eyes, son.
Honey, I said the crab juice in the man.
Yo.
The crab juice in the man.
Damn, yo. Who else you tagging?
I'm tagging DCNC family.
That's right. All of y'all.
All of you guys have to do it.
Even you, Chef D. Don't run away from it. I did it. I started it. Let's get it. Now we're going to enjoy. Cuzzo, you got me on this one, though. I'm not going to do it.
Not gonna lie, you look cute doing that.
No, I'm not cute. I missed it. Nobody with it. No, I'm really taking it. Let's get to this now. This is what we came here for.
Guy, I'm gonna try to still eat the lipstick on.
Yeah, you eat with lipstick on. Hey, you know what? I don't like when first they did a red lipstick. I tell her that I don't like the red lipstick.
But I look cute today?
Yeah.
Are you still on, honey?
Still on, you doing good? You doing good, girl. Keep lipstick on, you eat slower. I'm gonna enjoy. I'm back now. What up? I'm back. What you mean? Don't play me. I'm on here now for that. I'm here for this. That's what I'm here for.
I appreciate you doing it, my love.
I know I'm pranking little ass.
I was so mad. That's what I said.
She was mad.
He worried about what people think.
I got you.
Because I'm like, wait a minute.
I got her back.
He was like, okay, I'll do it. Well, he didn't say it that quickly, guys. I have a way of convincing my husband, so he was like, all right, fine. I'll do it. Since, cause to AB, since she shouted us out, we're gonna do it. And then he said, no, stop. You know something, we not do that. We not do that. I said, honey, please, you know something, we not do that.
I had a plan for her. You didn't see, I even put it on myself. I need no help. But my lipstick, man. Yeah, man.
You put on my lipstick. He really buy on lipstick for real.
Yeah, it is good.
Yeah, very good.
It's good. You're looking good. You are. Good job.
So yeah, just let us know what you guys think because.
Yeah.
And then maybe next week we'll tell you guys
The issue.
the issue. Yeah.
Yes. Let us know. We waiting for the comments. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Wow.
You're doing good with the lipstick.
It's finished now. The challenge is done. I done got my food.
I gave you 9 minutes instead of 8 minutes. Yeah.
It's recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Stop doing that.
No, my eye.
Making me scared.
Make it hurt.
You know, like, it's not recording, and you have a lipstick. I know I can't. I know you can't do it twice. Cause you're gonna say nope.
You missed the first time.
The sausage.
Got it on deck. Cheapest water bottle, you know? Where is that, First Lady?
It's in the link. It's in the description part. If you look in the description section, you will see the link, and it'll be blank.
Don't worry. They're the same. Right? All right.
Oh gosh.
You still doing something, girl? You're doing good.
The challenge is finished, but I'm still like, that is funny. I think we did good.
We did good. Well, I did good.
You did good.
Yeah.
You did real good.
I did real good. You know what I'm saying? I did good.
Cause of AB, she did good. Rhonda Red Hot Sauce, she did really good. She looked cute with her lipstick too.
But the problem is, I'm the only guy that did it.
I know. You get mad props.
I want to see the other guys and do it. You know what I'm saying? I'm rocking with your First Lady, you know that. Can't go to war by yourself.
I was like, I don't know what has gotten into him.
I got you.
Yeah, you did. I was mad.
Yo, family, she was so mad.
That's why I said, he's worried about what people think.
Yeah, you see? You see what me? You see when you pissed off, what you say on camera?
I said the truth.
Say the truth.
Actually, no.
Yeah. See that? She was pissed off, and it came out. But I knew I was gonna catch her.
Actually, I was hoping. Excuse me. I was hoping to do reverse psychology on you by saying that you'd be like, No, no, that's not true. I'm gonna do it.
You can't trick me, my youth.
But then, when you didn't say anything, I said, I wonder if he's trying to trick me. Because you'd have been like, oh,
Team Richie.
No.
Yeah. Team Richie in the comment.
Richie, well, one prank somebody, you know? A baby prank with that, man.
I caught you.
A baby prank with that.
Are you ready for the time about this and this and this and this and this and that? Catch your man. Look at his egg. This was good. And put a piece of onion and stuff on it.
Onion.
Damn, excuse me. It's dripping.
Did you ever get up?
Yeah, man, come some the genuine cut I just got. I got me a nice genuine cut. Yeah, it's a genuine cut, family. I got. Oh, see right here. Look at that.
That's a good bite.
Yeah, I got the genuine cut. You know what I'm saying? Oh, fleek, huh? Yeah. That's good.
Nice piece of king crab.
You know, so I'm gonna get a nice king crab.
I'm too light.
How much piece of king crab up in that?
I just put a lot.
See what she give me?
King crab is all through it. The way how you eat, you don't know what you're eating. You just eating.
I ain't no king crab.
Okay.
You gonna tell me what I eat? Is there more than my mouth?
Cause there's none in the plate. So where all the king crab went?
You never do
No. No. Are you yummy?
Man, you never man, I get the night king crab.
Man, this is really good. She put a lot of ingredients.
Yeah.
You can see onions. You can see peppers. You can tell red peppers, scallion, garlic.
For all my shrimp lovers out here, I didn't share. I know. Sorry. Sorry about that. I just caught up in this madness right here.
I'm telling you, I love the hint of lemon juice, and it's not overpowering, but you can tell it's in there. It's really good. Let me get some onions on here.
Yeah, but it's not overpowering.
Surprisingly enough, we don't really eat lemon with our seafood. Well, yeah, this is messy. I'm surprised.
And then we do that.
Good thing it was only 8 minutes. Because it'll been rub off.
Yeah, that been rid of. I feel some type of way. Can't enjoy my food right there. I get pissed off.
Everything pisses him off about not enjoying his food.
Don't forget what we asked y'all. I need your feedback. Cause family, I know it's all ladies that be watching and think, how did my lipstick look? How it look? Tell me if I put it on right. I was looking, I know. Know what I'm saying? First lady had me doing this.
Listen, if I can eat an iguana, okay?
Agreed.
My husband asked me to eat an iguana, and I ate an iguana.
Too damn
And if you missed that video, it's gonna be somewhere up here. Check it out.
Agreed.
Can you guys believe that Richie grew his beard in 1 month?
It was a damn one.
Honey, it was 1 month. You went to bed, and 2 days later, it grew.
I'll be a girl faster than my hair.
Okay? Man. Yeah.
Don't forget
A baby,
to like,
a baby prank.
share, comment, subscribe. I got you. That's all it matters. All it matters.
It's a baby prank.
I got you like I got something the first time.
You're full of chat.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you, Cuzzo AB, for shouting us out, calling us out. I had to convince my husband to do it, but he did it.
You know what it is already. For the community, you know what it is already.
Yes.
You know?
First
guy.
First guy, like Mother Like Daughter Eats, Mark Munchies, and DCNC family. All of y'all.
Mr. D. I'm waiting.
Alright guys, we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye!
Yo, you know, so I start buy lipstick. Yeah, man, I start buy lipstick, man. Yeah, man, just with this.